we are back with the finishing of the other bag. Let's go ahead and get started. We have this beautiful necklace. It's beaded, no marking. This coloring is like a jade, and then I don't know what that is. It's nice and cold, the stone, but isn't that unique? Very unique. I like that. We have a little cross made with some amethyst beads. Here is one of those mesh necklaces. Very pretty, silver tone, matte, no markings. We have a beaded necklace with the letter N. This is a piece of wood. Nice big bold gold tone necklace. No markings. It's an earring. Alright, we're back. We'll get our light going here. Okay. Next up is a silver tone bangle. I call it a clamper. I'm sure it has some other technical name. But clamper for me. This is a fabric bead and wood necklace. It is one of those where you can lengthen it on the rope. It's this way. Yeah. Make it longer. There we go. That's nice. Okay, then we have some bangles here. Silver tone and gold tone. Pretty. This one has a little bow on it. Those are pretty. Got another wooden necklace with a nice large giraffe. Look how big this giraffe is. I mean, he's huge. I love giraffes. They're my favorite animal to have in print. It's a nice necklace. It's pretty long too. There's a metal blue chain with a gold clasp. Here, there is a mark on it. Let's see what it says. What does it say? So it's a patent number. And something else that's been scratched out. But that's different. Metal, heavy. Here's another different chain. Oh, that's an earring. Pretty. This one's really different. It's silver tone and gold tone. With these faux amethysts and this faux onyx. It's pretty different. It's a nice long necklace. That's pretty. I like that. Not made by anyone in particular. Here's a turquoise carved bracelet. It's got copper beads in the middle, silver tone toggle. That's nice. And they're cold to the touch, and they look like they could be real turquoise. Very pretty. It's a different necklace. There's a tag on it. Dollhouse is the tag. It's different. Okay. This one's really different too. It's gold and silver tone also. Large glass beads and wooden beads, and then these two little rings. That's different. Little tassel at the bottom. Stretch bracelet. Here is a charm. Let's see what this says. Faery. Pretty charm. The old spike necklace, gold tone. It's pretty. Oh, okay, this is two necklaces attached to one another. Let's see. You have a star and a circle, and both with rhinestones. No mark. One is gold tone, one is black. Interesting. This is a nice choker, beaded. No marks. Very pretty though. Tiny neck. Oh man, this is something different right here. This is different. Bronze, 3 strands, and then a large bronze charm here. These don't come out, but they do move. Interesting. Very heavy too. It's another fabric beaded necklace. It's a wood beaded necklace. Pretty old. Nice though. Here's a, this is a bangle that kind of matches this stretchy bracelet. Interesting. Well, there's a mark here. I don't know what it says. A B or an 8. I think it's a B. Different. Here is a man's bracelet. What's this say? It's a mark on the back. Spidell, USA. Nice. And it says Nick. N-I-C-K. Nice bracelet. It's another bracelet. This is handmade. It's kind of broken over here. But that'll go in our craft box. They can fix it or repurpose the beads. Here's another bangle. This one is really wore out. Kind of matches this. It matches this one identical. They're identical except for color. Interesting. Interesting, interesting. This is another choker. Those are really pretty red crystals there. Nice. Got some more bangles. There's one large silver tone bangle. A couple of little bangles. This one, it's got down to the copper, but this one is nice. This is really cute. I love this bracelet. This is really pretty. No maker mark on it though, but that's gorgeous. That's pretty. A couple of more bracelets. This one's really pretty. All the bling. Here's a glass bead bracelet, stretchy. This is a, I don't know what it is. It's like a nail turned around, and there is a mark here. What does this say? BR, Banana Republic. So that's nice. Heavy, heavy bracelet. It's another bangle. And some more bangles. These three are gold tone. It's an arrow folded over. It's nice. It's a different looking necklace. Very long. Made by Zad, Z-A-D. Looks really old. Cute. Here is one of those cufflinks. Here's another charm. Made in China. Still, it's pretty. Needs a little cleaning. Oh man. Now this is something. That's an armband, I'm guessing. You can, yeah, adjust each ring. It's got little bells on there. That's very interesting. It looks like it's been worn a lot. Cute. There's another charm. No marks. Very pretty. It's a locket. No marks there. None in here. That's nice. Some sort of ring, maybe a washer, or it went to a necklace. Yeah, I'm sure it went to a necklace. Another, this is a braided bracelet. It's fabric. This is cute. It's a little ball chain necklace with a tile, Scrabble tile, made by AmeliaBeth.etsy.com. That's nice. A couple of earrings. This is one of those cute little best friend necklaces made for Claire's. This one. Cute little spider. Yeah, cute little spider necklace. This one is broken. I don't see any markings on the clasp. Nice chain though. Another locket. It's got a diffuser in there. Cute. Okay, and our last piece looks handmade. This is a real stone on a black chain. Cute. Well guys, that's the end of this bag. Hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.